900,000 naira car, guys.
All right, so we have Nissan. I don't know the year, but it's around 1960s and so. Look at the tires. Look at the bodywork. Wow, it still starts, right? That's soon. Look at that. This was supposed to be a fuel gauge, a fuel tank, where they put fuel, but I'm not sure. It's used for load carriage and so on. Look at the it's already rusting, but it's good. Perfect door. Okay, that's okay. All right. Surprisingly, it's a 5-gear car. Wow. Look at this.
37 million kilometers.
Soft steering. Look at the seats. All right, so here we have where they put the fuel, right? Look at this. Just look at this. Wow. So this is where we put. This is where the fuel enters from. This is where the fuel enters from. Look at this. Look at this. I like this. Ha ha ha. Look at the dashboard. Is there anything inside? Wow. Okay. Vents. Alright, look at this. Look at this engine. This is meant for battery protection. It's like a voodoo in Africa. We use it, black magic, to protect thieves, to protect your battery from thieves. All right, so we have a 4-plug engine, Nissan. It uses carburetor. So we use wires instead of key. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Okay.